Welcome back. Let's talk about some practical ways to lower your blood pressure naturally because the things that you do right now can actually make a difference. Welcome back to Workday Lessons with Terrence, a true nurse practitioner. Today is Wellness Wednesday, and we're going to discuss some simple ways that you can naturally lower your blood pressure without medications. Your high blood pressure is one of the most common things that I see in primary care. And the good news is that simple everyday habits can be changed and make a meaningful impact. You don't have to overhaul your entire life to make a change, to make a difference. Let's start with one of the more common things and more surprising things that you can do: reducing salt intake. Salt pulls water into your bloodstream, which increases the pressure inside your arteries. Even cutting back a little bit on salt can make a huge difference. And instead, you can season with herbs instead of salt. This can help bring your blood pressure numbers down. The second major thing you can do is movement. You don't need to have a gym membership. That's what I tell a lot of my patients, or fancy equipment or intense workouts. Just walking 20 to 30 minutes a day, every day, can lower your blood pressure over time. Think of it this way: movement is sending a message to your heart saying, I'm taking care of you. Another key factor is hydration. When you're dehydrated, it makes it difficult for the heart to pump blood, and this can make your blood pressure go up. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your heart move blood more efficiently. The next thing to do is managing your stress. Your body releases stress hormones that temporarily raise your blood pressure. When you manage your stress, this can mean that you can lower your blood pressure. I'm not talking about eliminating your stress because none of us can actually do that, but it's about finding healthier ways to cope with stress that can make a huge difference. For example, deep breathing, praying, quiet time, or a few minutes of stretching can help reset your nervous system. Then there's nutrition. What you eat affects how your blood vessels behave. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and foods that are rich in potassium, such as bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, and spinach, can help lower your sodium and create a balance and relax your blood vessel. Finally, if you smoke or vape, quitting is one of the biggest gifts you can give your heart. Nicotine tightens